You need to watch this if you're a techie with a heart for public service. Ready to code for India's future? The Build for Bharat Fellowship, powered by Bharat Digital, is your ticket to making a difference. This 2.5-month program offers you the chance to tackle real-world government projects, solve critical governance issues, and get paid Rs 40,000 a month while doing it. Imagine working on high-impact projects like enhancing AI/ML systems, securing IT infrastructures, redesigning government websites, and developing GIS for infrastructure planning. Sounds exciting, right? But it gets better. You'll receive mentorship from industry experts, gain invaluable insights into public service and policy, and develop skills in data science, cybersecurity, UI/UX design, and full-stack development. This isn't just an internship. It's a launchpad for your career as a public interest technologist. If you're a student or recent graduate in design, data science, or engineering, this is your golden opportunity. Graduation in 2025 or 2026? Perfect! Freshers and experienced tech enthusiasts are all welcome. Ready to invest in your future and India's progress? The application deadline is March 7th, 2025. Don't wait, read the details, hit the apply link, and start your journey now. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching, and get ready to build for Bharat.